It's a fish dish perfect for holiday dinner parties, and bonus, you wrap it up before you serve it. Chef Jasper Mirabile is here to show us how to make. Now, Chef, I'm going to say it first,
okay,
and then you're going to say it the right way.
I'm not being rude. I'm just cutting my little parchment paper.
You keep doing arts and crafts, and we'll just take our time. So this dish is called Pesce Spado in Cartoccio.
Wow.
No, not close
You're
at all.
best, yeah.
How do you say it really?
No, in Cartoccio.
In Cartoccio?
In Cartoccio. Cartoccio means in a carton, in a sack, in a bag.
Well, there you
Something
go.
You carry.
Now, are you making a bag or a sack to put our dish in here right now?
Exactly. So I just got a little parchment paper very quickly. Make a little circle.
Okay.
How simple.
There it is. That's all it is. Okay.
Get some fish. If you want, I do Pesce Spado.
Pesce Spado.
No relation to Joe Pesci. I heard that earlier.
No, he's not. So this was not in Goodfellas.
No. Pesce Spado, salmon, halibut is great like this. Also, maybe a little bit of linguine down here. How about that?
Oh, yeah.
Clams,
shallots,
a little bit of onion. You know, put what you want in there. Maybe some mussels. So you can make almost like a medley of seafood in here.
Interesting.
With a little bit of brodo.
So we're going to cook all of that in this paper here. Okay.
So let's get our seafood.
All right.
There's a swordfish.
And you said you were using swordfish today. Okay.
Put a little lemon on it, or you could put it on the bed so it sits on the lemon and it kind of poaches in there.
Good tips for seasoning seafood before you cook it? What do you like to do? I mean, you just put the lemon on there, and that acidity is probably going to help it cook, right?
It does. Acidity helps a lot. Very good. But I watch out for the salt.
Yeah.
Because what does salt do? It draws the water out.
Draws the water out. So
and you don't want that. Yeah, so you don't want that. Your fish, you know, you want to make it so fresh. You don't want to take more water out of it. You want to keep that moisture in there.
Okay.
Maybe a little cracked pepper.
Okay.
And some fresh herbs. Dried herbs, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Rosemary's good in here, a little bit of sage, parsley, oregano. I also like a little dried oregano.
Yeah.
And then I love capers.
Capers, okay.
Yeah. So we put capers on there and garlic.
Oh, you can't miss the garlic.
No,
right?
you can either slice it paper thin. You know, that's from the movie also. Remember
that?
So, or you could just put some whole cloves in there.
Boom, right in there.
Yeah, come on, it's not going to hurt it. And the garlic's good because it roasts a little bit.
Yeah.
Green olives.
Okay.
These are Castavatrano olives.
I'm glad you said that. Or bless you.
Exactly.
Castava go what?
Castavatrano.
Castavatrano.
Castle of Vetrano in Sicily.
Oh, well, there you go.
A little bit of sauce. This is my marinara sauce.
Yeah.
Now, a little bit of white wine, just a touch.
Just a touch
and
of the
you're not
white
going to think you could get this in here, but look, just a little bit around the edge because it's going to poach there. Kind of just shake your bottle. And then,
olive
oil.
Gotta have it there.
A little bit. And we're going to seal with a little oil, okay?
Oh, seal around the edges of the paper? No, that's smart.
Fold it over, because this should be just right in the center there. Fold this over. How simple.
And that's all you do, and then you just cook it.
And then you wrap like this here.
Here, you want me to get, let me get some of this side here. Now, why is this good for dinner parties?
Well, you know what? Here's what's great. Just we're finishing up now. Put it in a pan. I'm always a little nervous. My little extra virgin olive oil as my insurance.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Place it in the pan and put it in the oven. You roast it. When you finish, look at this.
It's gonna come out like
that. It's the bag, and then you present it to your guest.
Oh, by slicing it open
and you just go just like this right here.
Fun.
Right in the middle, and you kind of break it right in front of them. And see, this has been sitting for a little bit, but then all the herbs, everything comes
out, and so you get that initial smell hits you, and you get the presentation.
You can't overcook the fish. That's why I like it so much.
So how fast does it cook then in the oven?
Maybe about 12 to 14 minutes.
Oh, so if you
have a convection oven, a lot quicker.
A lot quicker than that. And then also, real quick, you mentioned a couple of different areas in Italy from the origination from the olives, and where does this specific dish come from?
So this would be more in the area of Campania.
Okay.
Campania is on the ocean, of course. The borders on the ocean. Naples, you know, a seaport where you have a lot of fish. But the Sicilians love this because they're on, right on the Mediterranean also. Yeah.
Well, yeah. So does that? Because I mean, when you think of Italian, at least when I do, I always think meatballs, pasta, stuff like that. So is there a lot of seafood when it comes to Italian
in Sicily,
cuisine?
There's more seafood than anything.
Yeah.
You don't have meat down there. You know, you must remember the Sicilians were very, very poor people. Didn't have a lot of meat, didn't have a lot of dairy, but they had all this beautiful seafood. And the pasta dishes, marinara, marina. It used to have anchovies in it until it came to America.
Oh, the Americans didn't like anchovies?
Yeah, so marinara is just a tomato sauce now.
Yeah.
But in Italy, marinara means marina, so you had seafood in it, anchovies.
Huh. Well, fascinating. There you go. And then real quick before we got to go, you've got it garnished here with just your lemon slices.
A little
and
Italian parsley.
Would anything else go with it when you serve, or what else would you serve?
You know what? I would roast some potatoes, of course, a salad. My mother used to always get an enchilada, wild greens.
Yeah.
And then she would put the wild greens right on top of it.
Oh, that'd
so
be
you had the
cool,
salad and the fish together. That's more of a primavera for the springtime.
Primavera for the springtime. All right, well, Chef, we appreciate you being here. That looks fantastic, and it's going to be great at your next dinner party.
Mangia bene.